Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. Today is my Grow with Grace binder day, where I have $100 in prop money and different saving challenges to help me with certain categories for throughout the whole year. So first, we're just going to get started with taxes. As it say, $2,026 in 2026, which is found in my Kofi or in my Etsy shop. And if you was looking at this, it is now on sale for 20% off. So go check it out. So I am going to roll my color dye here. And that is pink. It seems like we've been getting pink for the last couple weeks. So let's go ahead. Do I want to do the 22? Yeah, let's go ahead and do the... yeah, we'll do the 22. Let's do the 22. All right, perfect. 21 and 2, so $22. Next we got is Vacation. And that is by Mint Dough. Says $1,200. And let's go ahead and do what do I want to do? Let's do $20. So let's go ahead and do 15 and a 5. Perfect. And $20. And next is, oh, I don't think I put one in here. Next was supposed to be in senior year, but I didn't put one in there. So we're just going to skip that one. And let's go here to month ahead. And month ahead, let's go ahead and get 2 dice here. And let's go. And we have, let's do 2 and 3. And that is the house for $3. 1, 2, and 3. Let's do that again. We got, let's do 3 and 6. We did that one. Let's go 6 and 3. And that's the cloud for $10. Woo! We can play this a couple times. Let's do 4 and 1. We did that one. Let's do 1 and 4. We did that one. Let's do 4 and 5. 5 and 4 is the internet for $5. And should we do again? Let's do it again. Let's go 2 and 4. And that's the cloud for $10. Oh yeah, we'll stop there. We put 5, 10, 15, 25, 26, 27, $28. Ooh, I didn't mean to put that much, but those 10s got us. Let's go to emergency funds, and that is our giant ant savings created by budgeting introvert, $1,200 plus. And we already finished. We finished page 1, page 2. We working on this page and this page. So should we try to finish these? Let's go ahead. Let's see. So let's go even. Yes. So even is $4. So that's, oh, look at me just throwing the money. Just throw it in the air. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And let's go even. Oh, we got odd for $2. And then let's go again. Let's say odd. Yes, $2. Oops, that is an ugly 2. Oh well. So we finished this page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So $8 put in there. And I don't know how much this page saved us. So I'm gonna have to add that up and then put the total on there. And then we'll continue with the ice cream, which is $100. And then we'll do this one. Ooh, and then there's another color one. Each cupcake is $4. That says 100. Okay. I just love this book. All right. Next, we are going to the most basic saving challenge. Oh, I should have put. Hold on. Let me go back. Let me go back to our Ant Friends. That's color 1. Let's color one of the ice creams. Let's go ahead and do this one, blue one, for $5. And then this one. This is a well-made book. I love this book. All right. Perfect. And put that $5 in here. Keep that open so it can dry. And then let's go to the most basic saving challenge. And what we got left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, $17. Okay, let's see what we can do. This is created by Celicia Beautifully Me and You here on YouTube. This is found on Amazon. It says 15K. And we are working on our third $100. So this will be $300 going towards student loans. Not exciting, but it got to be done. Okay, so we just rolling this D8. And we got a 3. Let's see. Let's do this 3 here. Are you guys having a good day? How was you guys' weekend? 1, 2, 3. It has been a rainy weekend here in Ohio. When I say rainy, it's been raining. Let's do, see, we got 4. So let's do these 2 for 4. So let's do, what color? Let's do this. Was it this purple we did? I think so. So let's do this purple here. I think it was this purple. And then let's do the other 2. Let's do that, this green color. And then we should roll, let's roll one more time. And then we'll put the rest of the money towards vacation. So let's do, did I put the 4? No, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's roll one more time. Another 2. We're just getting all the 2s. Let's do this 2 down here. Should have did this yellow. That's okay. All right, $2 more. So 1, 2. So let's see how much we put in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, $9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So that's $9 into the most basic saving challenge. All right. And let's go back to the vacation. And what I said I had in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. And let's put the $8. Yep, an 8 right here. Perfect. We almost finished with that. We almost finished with that. That's crazy. All right, and that is $100 put into my Grow with Grace binder. So cute. I just love her. She is so cute. All right, gems. Thank you, everyone, for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to check out my Etsy shop for 20% off all digital items, paper clips, and beaded binder charms and dangles. So yeah. So remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.